Before we start coding, we need to install two tools, Python plus Visual Studio Code. I'll walk you through this step by step, so even if you've never done this before, you can follow along easily. We'll start by installing Python first. Go to python.org and click Download. Make sure you download Python 3.11 because it's stable and widely supported by most libraries. Run the downloaded file and make sure you check the box that says Add Python to Path. Now click Install Now and wait for the installation to finish. Next, we'll install Visual Studio Code, which is the editor we'll use to write and run our Python code. Go to code.visualstudio.com and download Visual Studio Code for your operating system. Run the installer and click on the Create Desktop icon for easier access to Visual Studio Code. Once the installation is complete, open Visual Studio Code. Inside Visual Studio Code, click on the extensions icon on the left. Search for Python and install the Python extension by Microsoft. Finally, and as an optional step, install Black Formatter. That's it. Python and Visual Studio Code are now installed. We're ready to start building our projects using AI. So let's move on to the code. Thanks for watching. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe for more easy AI coding, and tell me in the comments what features you want to add next.